Good afternoon po, Yusek. Yusek, former DPWH Secretary Bonoan told Sandigan Bayan that all senators in the previous Congress availed themselves of at least 500 million each from the leadership fund mula po sa DPWH to accommodate daw po their pet projects. Can the palace confirm that 2027 flood control projects na ipinasa po sa Congress ay based solely on the DPWH's assessment at wala pong nakonsiderang list mula po sa mga lawmakers?
Ayon sa DPWH, at wala silang ganitong klaseng mga fund. So bibigay ko po sa inyo mismo ang message ng DPWH. No leadership fund under 2027 budget. All projects proposed in the 2027 DPWH budget are based on needs of the local and regional governments, and if needed, secured clearance from RDC and development councils to ensure that these benefit the people. Only projects that have complete documentary requirements such as plans, programs are submitted to ensure compliance with DBM guidelines. So maigpit po ang DBM. Kung nangyari po ito sa panahon noon, hindi po ito mangyayari sa ngayon.
Ma'am, follow-up. Why is it important for the President that the 2027 NEP be free from lawmakers' project lists po?
Okay. Sa totoo lang po ay hindi naman talaga masama. Kung merong project ang ibang mga officials, kung ito ay talagang mapapakinabangan ng ating mga kababayan, walang kickbacks, walang anumang anomalya. So mainam po na kung talagang may mga proyekto naman at ito ay para sa ikagaganda ng kanilang lugar at para sa ikabubuti ng constituents, wala tayong nakikita na dapat itong tanggihan. Ang nangyayari lamang po ngayon ay napakaingat po ng Pangulo, napakaingat ang DPWH at napakaingat ang DBM para kung ano man yung pang-aabuso na nangyari, way back, na nakita na noon, 2018 pa, ayaw po mangyari ito ng Pangulo.
Follow-up question, Ivan Mayrina, GMA7.
Ma'am, but is the palace confirming that there was indeed leadership funds during the 2024 and 2025 budgets, during the time of Secretary Bonoan?
Wala po masasagot si Secretary Vince Dizon dito kasi hindi pa po siya parte. So as of now, we say we can deny. Wala po siyang alam eh.
No.
Kung sa kanila po ito naganap at ito ay kanilang usapan, wala pong malalaman na anuman ang sino, walang malalaman ang sinuman kung ito ay sariling usapan lang ni Secretary Bonoan at kung sino man yung local official.
And that is to say the President did not know about these leadership funds kung, well, as Secretary of Public Works, siya po ay alter ego ng Presidente at ang Pangulo po ay pumipirma sa budget in those years concerned. So, sinasabi po ba natin, hindi alam ng Pangulo itong mga leadership funds na ito na tig 500 milyon, I think, for...
Kung alam ng Pangulo, hindi yung mangyayari yan. Diba? Parang teacher. Kapag kayo'y nangopya, ipapaalam niyo ba sa teacher niyo? Kapag nahuli kayo ng teacher, anong gagawin ng teacher? Eh, di ba, bibigyan kayo ng penalty? So, gano'n lang. Kung alam ng Pangulo yan, hindi niya yan ito-tolerate at hindi yan mangyayari. Pero mga ganito kasing usapan, minsan, lihim.
So, it was an agreement between the former Secretary of Public Works and the senators?
According to him. We are just basing on what he said. So, personal knowledge, none.